Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can change language on your Hisense Android Smart TV. As you can see on the screen now, if you stuck in the another language like on my TV, you can see here is not English language. So if now you stuck on another language, just follow my instruction. I will get you through and get the English language back to your TV. Okay, first of all, just press upper button once time, two time, and you will see your selection on here. Just press the right button until you can see this setting logo. Select on it. And now you get through the setting. Just go all the way down until you can see this computer logo. Select on it. And now you will see this the Earth logo. Just select on that logo. And now you will see all the language appear on the screen. Just go to this, just change it to another language, any language that you want. And now I change it back to English. And now you all done, and just wait and see. Press back one time. And now you can see the language is changed back to English. Okay. And now it's all done and your TV is get back to English language. Okay, and that is the end of this video of how you can change language on your Hisense Android Smart TV. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box. And I hope this video will help you to change your language when you get stuck on another language. And thank you everyone for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.